At COOLMAN, we're not just a name on a blade. We're right here, on site with the contractors every day. Just last week, one of our regular users took on a project to fix a leaking rooftop. The job wasn't simple. Remove the old waterproofing, grind the surface, and apply a brand new waterproofing layer. And guess what tool he reached for first? Our COOLMAN 7-inch turbo rim grinding wheel. We watched it in action, cutting through layers of old coatings and laitance, prepping the slab with precision and power. Because without grinding, the new waterproofing wouldn't stick. The surface needs to be clean, roughened, open-pored, and that's where we come in. The contractor shared his feedback right after. This wheel lasts longer than others I've used. It saves me time, cuts fast, and doesn't vibrate or wear out quickly. We're proud of that, but we're also listening. He told us he's doing bigger jobs now, and he hopes we can push the limits even more. A grinding wheel with even more lifespan for those long, demanding projects. At COOLMAN, we hear you. We don't just supply tools, we grow with you. We're on site day and night, learning from your work so we can build tools that perform better, job after job, because your work is real, and so are we.